yeah, okay. Wrist so wet I might drown. Bitch, don't talk, you going out town. I done made 6 half for the whole week. Plug wanna play, then I'm going OT. I just made 4, 5, 7 on what? I hop in that SKAT and I'm bending your block. Nigga want scrap, well let it go rock. My little nigga got it, I bet he gon' pop. I can make 10 off face, no feeling. 6 dot like Krillin on smoking gorilla. Couple my niggas just caught that nigga that was running off dog. I know they gon' kill him. Smoking on killer and taking your bitch on the trip and them fucked on the floor of my villa. I ain't got time for 2 things. What? These stupid ass holding they feelings. Ayy, all independent, my bitches just calling, they get it. They know that this ballin' authentic. Chocolate vanilla can't hot, so I hopped out the dealer. I caught a new car and I tinted. Won't lie, little bitch had a nigga down, but now that I'm out of my feelings, I'ma stack the money so tall in the crib, it be looking like the roof came out of my ceiling. Soon as I hop in, I zoom, scooping that bit like a spoon. I got this F in the sin like that bitch is in tune. Look at it fade when we walked in the room. Ayy, 35 Mac 10s. Ayy, I killin' me playing my back end. Fucking that Shonen, I'm making her back bend. After my niggas walk in, we tagged in. Ayy, right off the bat, so that she know that I'm black, but I doja that cat. She with that thong, I like them tights. You pulling that pussy to show that it's fat. Made back to back with the double lock, hot the new duffel. It came with the double star. Then I put the trunk inside the front, so when I'm backing up, I still front on every one of y'all niggas. Ready? Wherever you been, going stupid. Outside, every time it's a new thing. Niggas not a lie, gotta tell them what the truth is. Hot dinner SKAT, bitch I'm back. Wherever you been, $50,000 on my jack, going stupid. Back outside, every time it's a new thing. Niggas not a lie, gotta tell them what the truth
I went rap
is.
and SKAT the same color the Lambo. I pull up orange and brown, they both look like Reese's. I get in that mo where I fuck niggas hoes and I break them off and send them back home in peace. Got a bitch from the 6 cut her off, don't know how to suck dick, I just smack her hair like watch the teeth. I be giving the Holy Ghost to hoes, they see me, they get the passing out, screaming out, Jeez. I'ma keep it real, I don't really fuck with police. I don't know shit when I see them, I'm speechless. I don't really fuck with rap niggas, they bitches. I'd rather chill with my daughter, my niece. Acting like you love me, I don't need no new brothers. I don't want advice, nigga, keep it, let a nigga touch me. I'ma have to show you something, I'ma have your family talking to the preacher.